was wet yesterday and the first day were hilly, but it's been absolutely brilliant. Apparently it's quite a nice way to travel.
Some great people, I'd say. Good bunch of
good camaraderie, wasn't it? Some of those hills and the challenge.
A good crack.
Great camaraderie on the hills. Great spirit. Really good. Really good.
It's been a tough day, but it's brilliant to have made it. Really looking forward to the conference.
And we look forward to the conference after a rest
and for beers.
and a lot of beers.